Over 50, stubborn belly fat and a stiff waist often feel impossible to shift, while jumping workouts hurt your joints. This gentle, zero-impact Tai Chi routine targets deep visceral fat, trims your waistline, and energizes your whole body safely. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 1. Lunge and side arm swing. Step back diagonally into a gentle lunge while swinging both arms down to the side, alternating smoothly. This rhythmic motion activates your core, burns belly fat, and enhances hip mobility without joint pressure. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2. Lunge and chest expansion. With bent elbows in front, step back into a soft lunge as you open your arms wide. This engages the upper back, expands lung capacity, and strengthens the core to melt stubborn midsection fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3. Standing side bend and stretch. Stand tall, bend gently to one side, reaching one arm upward while the other rests on your hip. Lengthening the obliques trims the waistline, massages internal organs, and releases deep lower back stiffness. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 4. Heel tap and overhead reach. Tap one heel forward with a straight leg, resting weight on the bent back leg as you reach both arms high. This elongates the entire body, boosts calorie burn, and strengthens leg stability. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5. Back kick and arm row. Reach both arms forward, then kick one leg back while pulling your elbows back to squeeze your shoulder blades. This engages your glutes, tones the back, and stimulates circulation to accelerate fat loss. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Cross-body shoulder stretch. Extend one arm across your chest and use the opposite arm to gently hug it closer, feeling a soothing stretch. This releases shoulder tension, improves upper body circulation, and calms your nervous system. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Half squat and overhead arm cross. Cross your arms overhead as you stand. Then sink into a gentle half squat, crossing arms in front of your chest. This tones your legs, activates deep core muscles, and burns visceral fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Neck stretch and head tilt. Place your hands behind your head, gently tucking your chin. Then open your elbows wide as you look up. This releases deep neck stiffness, boosts cerebral circulation, and calms your nervous system. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Half squat and torso twist. Extend arms straight, sink into a comfortable half squat, and gently twist your torso side with your gaze following. This brings out stubborn belly fat and improves spinal flexibility. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Overhead and behind the back clap. Clap overhead as you stand tall, and sink into a half squat to clap behind your back. This opens the shoulders, stimulates meridian circulation, and firms your waist and legs. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Torso twist with half squat. With hands behind your head, twist to look directly behind you. Return to center for a half squat, and repeat on the other side. This deep twist melts waist fat and strengthens your lower back. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. Hip sway with overhead reach. Sway your hips gently side to side while reaching one arm high overhead, alternating smoothly. This elongates the waistline, burns love handles, and loosens tight hips without joint stress. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Knee lift and hand tap. Hold forearms parallel in front of your chest, lifting one knee up to tap your hands, alternating sides smoothly. This directly fires up deep lower abdominal muscles, burns belly fat, and enhances balance. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Standing chest open and arm expansion. Stand shoulder width apart with forearms in front. Then open both forearms out to the sides, squeezing your shoulder blades and lifting your chest. This opens the rib cage, improves posture, and stimulates fat metabolism. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. Torso twist and single arm reach. Stand with feet apart, twisting your torso to one side as you extend that arm straight back with the other bent at chest level, alternating smoothly. This brings out visceral fat and trims the waistline. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. Front kick and punch. Kick one leg straight forward while punching with the opposite arm, alternating in a steady rhythm. This crossbody movement strengthens core control, burns calories, and mobilizes joints without jumping. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 17. Standing straight back kick. Place your hands on your hips and gently kick one leg straight back without lifting too high, alternating with control. This tones the glutes, supports the lower back, and boosts lower body blood circulation. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1. Go. Exercise 18. Bent arm reach and head turn. Stand with arms bent. Then extend one arm past your face, reaching back as your head follows the motion, alternating gently. This releases neck and upper back tension while soothing your nervous system. Wonderful job today! Which movement made your waist and belly feel most activated? Let me know in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and practice daily for a leaner, healthier body.